Hey guys, it's Carron, and I just wanted to share this neat little GMT slider that I found online for converting times. What you're looking at here is the gmtslider.com website, and you can watch the video on how to use it, or you can just muddle your way through like I did. It's pretty simple. Basically, what's going to happen is you're going to create yourself a widget which you're going to copy code and then place it into your website. It does create an iframe type of widget, so if you do have any concerns with that, make sure you do your research and find out, what the pros and cons are about having an iframe on your website. The standard time that shows up here is GMT, which is Greenwich Mean Time. And then the next thing that you do is select what time zone you want to show next to Greenwich Mean Time for your people to convert. If you choose GMT here and GMT here and click the plus button, you will get another little line that comes up, and that will be the time zone that is going to be the Greenwich Mean Time, and your top time will be the time where you are. So if I wanted to add additional time zones, let's say, for example, I wanted to do the US time zones and I wanted to do Central Standard Time. If I click the button, then it adds your Central Standard Time zones. You can delete ones that are extra if you have extra ones. And then once you have everything that you want, you click on Get Widget. And once the code shows up in the sidebar over here in this little box, you simply copy the code. You can double click on it to select all and then do your copy however you use your copy. You can right click or do your Command V or Control V depending on what type of computer you're on. I'm sorry, C, not V. And then I created a page. This is where I'm going to put it. I've created a page in the back end of my WordPress website called Convert Times. This is the back end of my WordPress website. I'm going to use the text view instead of the visual view. And I'm going to paste the code. As you can see, it's an iframe. Tells how big it is and all of the regular things that an iframe will do. And in this case, I'm going to save a draft. Not sure if it's going to show or not on the draft. We're going to try it and see. If it doesn't, we'll go ahead and publish. And there now we can see that it has placed your time converter right into the space, and the top zone is going to show the time zone that I'm in, and then the bottom zone is going to be your Greenwich Mean Time. And what happens when you use this slider is when you slide the slide on the Greenwich Mean Time, it's going to change the time over here, and it will reflect your current time zone in the top. So let's say, for example, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. 8 o'clock in the evening where I am, which is Greenwich Mean Time -7. It is 3:02 in Greenwich Mean Time on the following day. And that's all there's to it. If you do need to do some additional styling, you can address that via the CSS to get it to look differently. I did find that part a little bit difficult, so if you are not very comfortable with CSS, you may want to find somebody else who is more adept at CSS than you are. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you find the GMT slider to be of use. Have fun, guys. Talk to you later.